Mastering Time Management for the C1 Business Higher exam. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a crucial aspect of the C1 Business Higher, BEC Higher, exam. Time management. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned test taker, mastering time management can greatly enhance your performance and reduce exam stress. Time management is the efficient allocation of your available time to maximize productivity. In the context of the BEC Higher exam, this means 1. Ensuring you answer all the questions. 2. Avoiding spending too much time on a single question. 3. Leaving some time at the end for review. Remember, an unanswered question is a missed opportunity. Reading. 1. Skim the passage first to get the general idea. 2. Prioritize questions. Answer the ones you're sure about first. 3. Allocate a set time for each passage to avoid getting stuck. Writing. 1. Plan before you write. Spend the first few minutes jotting down your main ideas. 2. Monitor your time. Divide it between understanding the task, planning, writing, and reviewing. 3. Be concise. Avoid lengthy explanations unless necessary. Listening. 1. Stay focused. If you miss a detail, don't dwell on it. 2. Note-taking is key. Jot down the main points. 3. Predict. Before the audio plays, try to predict the type of information you'll need to listen for based on the question. Speaking. 1. Stay calm. Nervousness can cause you to speak too fast or stumble. 2. Structure your responses. Think briefly before answering. 3. Practice answering common questions beforehand to ensure you can give comprehensive answers within the time limit. 1. Practice under timed conditions. Familiarity reduces anxiety. 2. Wear a watch. While there will be a clock, having a watch can make it easier to monitor your progress. 3. Develop a rhythm. Get used to the flow of the exam and the time allocated for each section. Time management is an invaluable skill, not just for exams but for life. For the C1 Business Higher exam, managing your time well can be the difference between success and falling just short. We hope these tips will help you approach your exam with confidence and efficiency. Best of luck, and remember to stay calm and focused.